you guys, and welcome to Living with Lisa. Today I will be reviewing Hairfinity's product line with you guys. If you guys like this video today, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell for the notifications. So today I have the Gentle Cleanse Shampoo, I have the Balanced Moisture Conditioner, I have the Strengthening Amino Mask, the Infinite Edge Serum, and the 30-day supply of the Healthy Hair Vitamins. Now for the Infinite Edge Serum and for the 30-day supply of the Healthy Hair Vitamins, I cannot review those right now because, as you know, I can't just pop a pill or rub that on my edges and just see results right away. I want to document that over a long period of time so that I could really give you guys like a thorough, in-depth review about them to show you guys if they actually work. I have 3C 4A high porosity hair, so just keep that in mind as I'm talking about these products, because if you don't have like similar hair as me, then it could come out totally different, you know? So you guys just stay tuned and I'll get you guys the details. So the very first product that I will be using is the shampoo, and I will be using this to be getting rid of the buildup on my scalp and to just cleanse my strands. Now this shampoo definitely had like a foamy texture. It really did leave my hair feeling squeaky clean, and I was a little bit afraid that it was going to feel stripped, but I was pleasantly surprised once I applied the conditioner. Now I really did like this conditioner. I didn't think that it was going to have as much slip as it did, but I really love those conditioners that contain a lot of slip to it because it can really clump the curls together and define them. Now I knew that this conditioner had a lot of slip because I was able to finger detangle my hair without any problems. My hands were just running through my hair like butter. When you get those good conditioners, the detangling process is so much easier. Now this is what my hair looks like after I have shampooed and conditioned it. And now I'm going to show you guys the mask. Now this was my favorite product in the bunch because it left my hair feeling so moisturized, and it further defined my curls because it was so thick. Now you can choose to use either the conditioner or the mask. You can supplement the two after you shampoo your hair. I'm extra and I'm all about moisture, so I definitely decided to do both. Now what I'm doing right now is putting my hair in a high ponytail so that I can go sit under the steamer for about 20 minutes to further let the product deeper penetrate my hair. If you don't have a steamer, you can just place a plastic cap over your hair and let it sit for 15 minutes. And this is what my hair looks like the next day. I was so happy with the results. My hair felt so moisturized, and honestly I felt like it really came out like this because of the mask. So you guys, I really enjoyed using this product line. All in all, I would say the shampoo was okay, the conditioner was good, and the hair mask was exceptional. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time on Living with Lisa.